we're going to be going over our LDS138, which is our mobile direct view LED solution. So let's get started. So you're going to see here, one of the first things that's unique about this is it folds. So this is currently how it will actually ship in. It ships inside a flight case, but once you take it out, what's unique about this is it's not just a direct view LED on wheels, right? It's not just a direct view LED on a cart. This is a fully integrated direct view LED solution, right? So out of the box, it's ready to go. We powered it on already, but in order to get a fully functioning video wall, all you have to do is we go here and unlatch, and we can open it up, and you can see that we have a full 138-inch screen. This side as well. And you've got a fully mobile video wall. So this is something that can be used in multiple applications, really anywhere where you need a video wall but don't need to permanently install it on the wall, move it around, different functions, etc. Like I mentioned, it is something that comes fully set up. There's no installation, there's no assembly. You take it out of the case that we include, and it's ready to go. So I'll walk through a few key features of it, kind of give you the highlights, and then we'll transition to some videos and some great conversation we're going to have. So the first thing you're going to notice is the image looks fantastic. We're actually at a very low brightness here, but this can get up quite high in terms of brightness, and it is all completely adjustable. One of the first questions you're going to that's going to come up, though, especially when you have a folding solution, is, okay, what about the durability? Like, the direct view LED looks great, but if this is in a heavy use environment, how is this thing going to hold up? And I'm happy to tell you that we designed this with that durability and reliability in mind. So you're going to see some things that may seem little, but they make a big difference in the heavy use environment. So when it comes to the folding, we're on a few generations of these mobile products. When it comes to the folding, we've actually done a unique hinge design. It's rated for 5,000 opening and closings. It's so unique, in fact, that it's patent pending right now because of all the improvements that we've made to it in order to increase the reliability of it. We are also utilizing a special coating on the direct view LED itself. When you've got a giant LED like this inside of a public space, what's the first thing that people are going to do? They're going to go up and they're going to touch it, right? Fortunately, this has our glue on board technology. So glue on board, really, it's a coating that's put across the LEDs, and that's going to give it both IP rating, so it can take splashes of waters and things like that, as well as impact protection. So we can actually go up and give it some pretty good hits, and it's going to be good. So when you're in those heavy use environments where you don't know how people are going to react to it, how they're going to touch it, what could happen to it, this thing is made for those environments, and it's going to hold up in those environments. The next thing I'm going to show you is it is height adjustable as well. So when it ships on this, it comes with full height adjustability. You won't be able to see me here, but you can bring it up and down. I won't spend a ton of time on it because it doesn't do it very quickly for safety reasons. But you can fully adjust it up, fully adjust it down, so make it unique to whichever environment that you are in. Part of it being an all-in-one video wall and shipping as a fully integrated solution also means that the video wall processing and everything is also included in it. So below here is what we call the control bar, and this is really going to be the brains of this video wall. So this is going to have 4 HDMI inputs. It even has an HDMI output, so if you want to loop this out to a confidence monitor or something like that, you certainly can. It has audio out as well. It also includes speakers, though, and they're pretty decent speakers. So if you just need some basic audio reinforcement, this will do a great job of it. But you can also do the audio out, and you can take that to a separate audio system as well. We also have a full Android operating system with USB inputs as well. So if you want, like right now, this content that we're playing here is just being played off a drive. So you can do that, where if you want to put your digital signage content on here, you can get it loaded up, get it good to go. We have oversized casters on it, so very portable, very flexible. Yeah, and it, again, comes right out of the box, ready to go. You've got a direct view LED solution within 10 or so minutes. So when we ship this to you, it is going to ship inside of a flight case. Like I mentioned, it is going to be folded up. By the way, you can lock these. I'm just kind of folding them back and forth, but if you're in an environment where you don't want someone to be able to do this, you can lock these in place. So I'll just mention that. But it's going to ship. It'll be a little lower, but it'll look exactly like this, except it'll be contained inside of a flight case. So when we ship it to you, that flight case can then be reused. So once you open it up and get it out of the box or out of the flight case, you can then repack it in that flight case if you need to ship it to another location. And in fact, that's how we do it for our trade shows and things like that. We use that same flight case to repack it, send it to the next destination, quickly unpack it, get it set up, and repack it to go on to the next one. But that's all included with the product.